start collecting the memories. But you can bring a photo or a picture which will trigger that emotion back in you. I used to repair my Hawaii chappal. So these pictures, they take me back to those memories. It'll take you to that journey of you being able to go to that emotion and bring your story out. How many of you are planning to design your story? Great. How many of you here, you know the power of your story, the positioning story? You came into the One Day program. How many of you here, you're planning to design your story? Great. So the architecture will come on day 3, but right now your job is to go home, which I hope you're doing it already now, is to start collecting the memories. Start collecting the what? Memories. Now, most of you here, you may not be lucky, like me, to have the exact picture when that bullying happened to you, when that discrimination happened to you, when that crying part of you came out. Nobody was taking pictures ki हाँ कल speaker बनोगे, हाँ रो रहे हो लोग, हाँ तुमको तकलीफ हो रही है, पिक्चर लेते हैं, right? अब तो सब चीज का पिक्चर है. आदमी को भूख के बारे में मर रहा है आदमी बेचारा, नहीं रुक जा फोटो लैंड दो. अरे भाई खाने दो, भूख लगी है, ठीक है? But you can bring a photo or a picture which will trigger that emotion back in you. Am I making sense? So this is my real picture. Okay, I'm 5 months and few days old, and my mom is holding me from behind, and I'm naked in this picture. So this Hawaii chappal, actually takes me back to the days when I remember I used to repair my Hawaii chappal. I still remember, it was 2 rupees or something to pay to the mochi, mochi kehte hai na? Haan, cobbler English mein. We would not buy a new one because it costed us 16 or 18 rupees that time. Ajanta ke aate na, Ajanta ke, right? So I still remember that. It takes me back to that emotion. Coca-Cola, again, when I would fetch groceries from my neighbor, the Nepali family we had, 2 bags of, let's say, whatever, 15 kgs each or 12 kgs each. I'll bring it, 1 kilometer or maybe something like that. She would take out, a Coca-Cola bottle, exactly the small ones, and open it and give it to me. Us waqt chilled Coca-Cola peene ka maza hi alag hota hai. You understand? Once in a while you get it, oh God, it's like absolutely amazing. So these pictures, they take me back to those memories. So you may have a replica of exactly that moment, or you will have triggering pictures. You will have what? Triggering pictures which will take you that emotion. So this is some of the examples, I can give you. This is my uncle, by the way, who went into drugs, died before his age, did some very bad and stupid things of stealing. All that stuff happened. This is my niece, when she came out, I couldn't help much. My sister went to a very bad marriage, so that takes me to that emotion. This is me meeting Tony for the first time in 2013, and there's a picture I had with Tony with this dress. It was never given to me, rejection. So this is me in Chennai with 1,000 people, big audience. This is again a picture of my family. Again, this is Mohiddin Sheikh, about my journey of being a teacher. You got it? You got the idea? So start collecting, because you put the series of picture, maybe 10, 15, it'll take you to that journey of you being able to go to that emotion and bring your story out. The same for virtual people, So all the people in the virtual space, give us a wave over here, give us a wave. Great, everybody turn around and wave them back, Awesome, great job, thank you.